Hey, this is O the Tech, and I'm here to show you that if you have a dim screen on your iPod Touch, it shows up dim. You turn up the brightness and the contrast, and it still doesn't work. You can barely see it in the light. I'm telling you, you don't have to send it off to get it fixed. There's a simple way to do it once you open up the back of the case to fix this problem, this issue, instead of paying $100 or more to get it to replace the LCD screen. I have it pre-opened already. So take off the battery. Let me get this tool out real quick. You slowly but surely pry it off. Make sure you don't get the cable underneath it, and then you take this battery off. And see this right here, this cable right here. Just put this over the side. You be real careful on this, and you take this tool right here, which you can buy at iFix.com, iFixit.com, my mistake, and you can lift this out like so. This is the connection from the LCD screen to the logic board like so, and you just snap it back on like so. Put your battery back on. It's sticky, so it's not screwed on or anything on the first generation. I don't think on the second generation either. But just put it back on like so. And you carefully put your cover back on. Just match up the seams before it snaps back on. There you go. See? It's not dim anymore. The battery's low, but I had to dim the backlight. You don't have to worry about it anymore. You don't have to buy a new screen or anything. And that's it. Me and my iPod Touch would like to thank you. And the competition, sorry.